Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to the weekend. Welcome to another day of weak bearish Bitcoin price action. So I'm Dan from Trading with Dan. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we shall head straight over to those Bitcoin charts. So yeah, Bitcoin on the 4 hour, as you can see, basically new lows, attempting to put in a little bounce here. Is this going to be an even weaker than usual lower high? We shall have to see, but obviously Bitcoin inching its way towards this important support level. Like I did say in yesterday's video, I mean, the bulls have got every opportunity to grab this market the bears have got every opportunity to grab this market by the horns and drag it down. So the longer they don't do that for, and the longer we hang around down here, obviously there's a chance of a bigger counter trend pump to the upside. But obviously that is the bullish case. The bearish case is we are just going to come down, the buyers are going to give up, and we are just going to capitulate. But we shall obviously have to wait to see for the confirmations. Again to the downside, we've got this support zone around 30,000. To the upside, I mean, you can even say now if we get back above 30,300, sorry, 33,300 even, then yeah, we could look good to get acceleration then, basically above. However, we draw this downward sloping channel, and then obviously clearly above this one here. I mean, we can draw this on because this could be a bit of a trigger point once we get above here. We'll just draw it along that far. That will do. Should we draw the underside on as well, just for sake of completion? Let's do it. So yeah, there we go. I mean, so basically we can either get above these highs here, potentially trigger the move obviously above, fully through this resistance zone, also break this channel, break this downward sloping trend line here, and then that could accelerate us above and beyond 36,000, which could then put us in the top half, and then restore confidence, at least in the short to medium term, for test back up to 42, and then another decision up there. But yeah, that is the bullish case. I mean, the bearish case is clearly, well, we're like a few $1,000s away from confirming the bearish case. So obviously you have to attach basically a half decent probability that will be the ultimate resolution. Ethereum, Satoshi, one of our barometers, our gauges, is looking like it's trying to hold up here. Yeah, if Bitcoin does stabilize around here, if this just start to get back above this resistance zone, then yeah, I mean, we could see Bitcoin not lose 30k at this medium term attempt, and obviously the USD pairing still pretty weak underneath our resistance here as well. But I mean, you can't even say this is trying to put in a low yet. But yeah, I mean, we can all see we can see we're at an important level here. I mean, if we draw it on, we're at another basically important. In fact, we've got this here, so we already got this drawn on for before, so we'll extend it. I feel like I didn't extend the line then. I feel like I drew a new one. So let's delete the new one. Let's click on the old one and now extend it. Yeah, so we kind of got this level here. We could pretty much potentially make a bit of a zone here. To be honest, it's a bit of a wide zone. I don't particularly like how wide it is. But yeah, probably an important area here for us to maintain. And then yeah, if we do lose this, then yeah, just downwards to downwards and deeper targets. Let's just put the rectangle in here real quick. If I can find, where is it? Here it is. Yeah, we'll just put the rectangle. This will do. Here we go. We'll put it along here. So yeah, the dollar pairing probably wants to hold this level. Otherwise, yes, we will be looking at lower levels, better levels as they're called, better levels to buy. So yeah, just sort that out. There we go. So yeah, that's the dollar pairing. Not that we look at this too much, because obviously we do know this is pretty much going to follow the Bitcoin direction, dollar direction, and obviously this is going to map the relative difference. Over to that all-important DXY. Is it going to restore confidence in the markets? I mean, it's still, you could look at this as a bull flag, obviously from this leg up, But really, I mean, realistically, we'll just look at these levels of interest for it to take out. We want to get back below this one, and then this one we want to not take out this one. Trading sideways in here is okay as long as we don't take out this one. But yeah, I mean, this could top out here in reverse. It's obviously not wanting to do that on a turn on a sixpence or turn on a dime. It wants to put the scares on the market a bit. But yeah, we just got to watch where this goes. I mean, clearly this is going to be an important level. Take out this high here, then we will be seeing higher prices, but get rejected before then. If that gets front ran and sent back down, I mean, realistically we could be looking at lower levels than even these levels here, and that is clearly what we want for crypto. Stock market's also stalling out a little bit here, but you can see nothing really major. They just potentially trading sideways. I mean, overall we are in this whole Austrian school economics crack up boom, and there isn't really much they can do, to be honest. Everything is so financialized and intertwined with financial markets that I just don't see that they can blow this up until it blows up of its own accord, and there's nothing really going to trigger it right now, I don't think. So it will, after a bit of a potential sideways and blip, we should just be more of the same, and that is my wider term view. Bitcoin dominance as well, you can see it's horizontal here. We'll extend this along. It is trying to get back above there, which then will indicate higher prices. But if we can get rejected back below, get back down to here, then yeah, we could be looking better. But I mean, certainly we are an inflection point here. All I will say, when we had this sharp move down, we had a lot of momentum. We did break below, and then we did bounce a few times. There's no real strong momentum with this move down, so unless all of a sudden some selling impetus does come in, and I feel like all the the manipulation FUD, I think we dealt with about as much as that they can throw at us at the moment in their attempts to potentially break this level, and I think they're struggling for any more to basically not be able to soak up with the buying. So I mean I am obviously ever the optimist, as you guys probably know. I think we will have a move up, but even if we do have to have a spike down and get bought back up as a nice little bear trap, but this, I just don't think this is how we are gonna we're not gonna go out like this, I don't think. I think it will be a bit different. So yeah, there we go. As wishy-washy as that whole analysis was today, there's not really much else to talk about, is there really? There's not much else to report apart from just a steady grind within this channel, inching towards our important level. And do we break it, or do we basically do the bears run out of ammo and we fly onwards and upwards to the upside? So that is it, guys. Remember, this is definitely not financial advice. I'm definitely not a financial advisor. You should definitely all do your own research, and I'll definitely speak to you guys soon.